Now, what is the normalizing? So in a normalizing, what the purpose? The purpose is to define the grain structures, improve the mechanical properties, and achieve the more uniform structure, microstructure. So the microstructure means the at the atomic level, how they are arranged to make the bulk material. That is known as the microstructures. Okay. So here, what we are getting the improved mechanical properties, and along with that, we are having the refined grain structure. So grain structure gets refined. I mean, they get changed. Okay. What is the process? The process is the heat the steel to the temperature about 40 to 50 degree only, right? Above the upper critical temperatures. Okay, hold at this temperature for the short time and the cool in still air cooling. So what the process that we are getting here, we are not making them cool in a furnace, but rather than we are letting them allow to cool inside the ambient temperature, whatever the any normal temperature that we are living in, that just we leave, I mean, just we, you know, keep that material out of the furnace. Okay, once we have just reached the temperature 40 to 50 degree, and we have kept for the while at that temperature so that the transformation will occur. And once it has done, then we remove the material from the furnace and keep it in a normal environment so that it will get cooled down. Is known as the normalizing. Okay, and that kind of the heat treatment is categorized as a normalizing. What was in annealing, we are making, we are letting that steel to be cooled down inside the furnace by just switching off the furnace. Okay, we talk about what is the microstructures to fine perlite with improved strength and toughness compared to the annealing. So in annealing, we are getting the coarse perlite. But what we are getting here, the fine perlite. Okay, with improved strength and toughness as compared to annealing. So whatever the strength that and toughness we got in the process in annealing, that we are here we are getting more than that, right? So in normalizing, we are having improved strength, improved toughness as compared to what we have got in annealing. Okay, and if we talk about the grain size, then here we are also having the fine spear light, which is better than the coarse spear light. Okay, we talk about what are the applications in use for the structural components and forgings. What forgings is a industrial process where we give the material different shapes.